everyone, it's Miss Jessie. Today we will learn about compound sentences, a fairly basic grammar concept. To understand a compound sentence, we should first understand its three parts: simple sentences, commas, and coordinating conjunctions. As you probably already know, a simple sentence is a sentence that expresses one complete thought and has one subject and one predicate. Let's see some easy examples of simple sentences. Billy's mom watered the lawn. Here, Billy's mom is the subject and watered is the verb. Or, the boat drifted with the wind. Here, boat is the subject and drifted is the verb. As you can see, each of these sentences has a single subject and a single predicate. To make it a compound sentence, just connect two of these simple sentences together with a comma and a coordinating conjunction. It's simple! Let's see some examples of compound sentences. The ants marched through the grass, and the bees buzzed near the flowers. Or, the little fish swam lazily around the coral, for no sharks were in the waters today. Remember, a compound sentence never connects two sentences with a subordinating conjunction, so be sure you know coordinating conjunctions if you want to create compound sentences. Since there are only 7 coordinating conjunctions, they're easy to remember with the famous acronym FANBOYS: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. But be careful! Not all uses of these words are conjunctive uses. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.